Hi all. Today we will see about SQL commands. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It is a database sublanguage for querying and modifying databases. It is a set-based declarative language that provides an interface to an RDBMS such as Oracle database. It was developed by IBM Research in the middle 70s and standardized by ANSI in 1986. In contrast to procedural languages such as C, which describe how things should be done, SQL is a non-procedural and describes what should be done. SQL statements are used to create, replace, alter, and drop objects. It is used to insert, update, and delete rows in a table. SQL statements query data from a database object. SQL statements provide control access to the database and its objects. Guarantees database consistency and integrity by SQL. SQL commands are broadly classified into data definition language DDL, data manipulation language DML, data query language DQL, transaction control language DCL, and data control language DCL. In DDL, create, alter, drop commands are available. In DML, insert, update, delete commands are available. Select command is provided in DQL. Commit, rollback, and save point commands are in TCL. Grant and revoke commands are in DCL. DDL. In this, create command is used to create the database or its object like table, view, index, function, procedure, and trigger. Drop is used to delete database objects from the database. Alter is used to alter the structure of the database objects. Truncate is used to remove all records from a table, including the spaces provided for the record. To create a table, we have the syntax create table, table name, and the column definition should be given. To delete a table, drop table name or truncate table name can be used. To add new columns to the existing table, alter table name, add column name and column definition can be given. To modify the existing columns, alter table name, modify column name and its column definition can be given in the syntax. To delete the existing columns, alter table name, draw column name should be given. To define columns, we have SQL data types. Many more SQL data types are available. Here we will see about some basic data types: number, char, varchar2, varchar, and date. To specify a column with number data type, number, precision and scale can be given. To specify char, varchar2 and varchar data types, we have to give the size of the column after the data type. Date can be provided by giving in the standard format dd-mon-y5. Data manipulation language, insert command is used to insert new records into the table. Update command is used to update, modify existing data within a table. Delete is used to remove records from a table. To insert entire record, insert into table name values. The number of values should match with the columns of the table. To insert specific columns, insert into table name, column names in any order, then values, list of values can be provided. The value order and the column order should match. To insert values in the execution time, insert into table name values, ampersand variable name can be given. To update the existing value, update table name set column name equals to value. This can be extended for any number of columns. To delete records from the table, delete from table name can be given. In update and delete, where condition can be included. It is an optional one. DQL command includes only one single statement. Select command. Select is used to retrieve data from the table. To retrieve all the columns from the table, select asterisk from table name can be given. To select specific columns, select column 2, column n from table name can be given. Here also we can include the where class with the condition. SQL provides different operators which are broadly classified into arithmetic, character, relational, logical, and set operators. In arithmetic operators, plus, minus, asterisk, slash, percentage symbols are available, which is used for arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Character operator provides double vertical bar symbol, which is used to concatenate given string values. Relational operator are used to compare values. The operators include equal, not equal, less than or equal, greater than, and greater than or equal. Logical operators used to combine two relational conditions: and, or, not, in, any, all, between, like are the operators available in logical SQL operators. In set operators, union, union all, intersect, and minus are available. The logical operator and gives a value true when all the specified conditions are true, or will give the result true if at least one of the specified conditions is true. Not reverses the meaning of any logical operator. In is used to compare a value to the specified list of values. It can be a multiple or condition also. Any compares the values in the list according to the condition. It should match with any one of the given value. All will be used to compare a value to all values in another value set. Between used for boundary checking. The values should match within the boundary of given two values. Like is used for string pattern matching. It searches for values that match with the given pattern. To use in after where condition, we can include in. A set of values can be provided. Not can also be included to omit the given values. Any and all follow the same syntax. After where, we can include the column name, operator, any or all can be given. Then any subquery can be given after that. Between used to check between two values, value 1 and value 2 will be checked out. Like is used for pattern matching. Like pattern should be given. In this, two characters are used. Percentage symbol stands for any character and any number of characters. Underscore is used for any single character. Set operators used to combine the results of two or more select statement. The syntax here is select query 1, set operator, select query 2. Union will give the result set without duplicate rows. Union all will provide the result set with duplicate rows. Intersect used to give the result set which are common to both statements. Minus give the rows exist in query 1 and not in query 2 result. TCL, transaction control language. Here an RDBMS must be able to group SQL statements so that they are either applied to the database or all transactions are undone. So a transaction is a logical atomic unit of work that contains one or more SQL statements. A database transaction begins with one or more DML statements and ends with commit or rollback or any one DDL or DCL statement. Commit is used to make all pending data changes permanent. Rollback is used to end the current transaction by discarding all pending data changes. Save point is used to set a save point within a transaction. An automatic commit will be performed when DDL or DCL statement is given, or a normal exit from SQL also provides automatic commit. Automatic rollback will be done when abnormal termination or system failure occurs. The fourth category, data control language, DCL, includes commands mainly deals with rights, permissions and other controls of the database system. Grant gives users access privileges to the database. Revoke is used to withdraw privileges given by the grant command to the user. With this, we end with the SQL commands section. Thank you all. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you.